name is Zoe. Hi, my name is Zoe. I'm making a video on slime. First, you need a bowl, then a spoon, and this is what you need, and then conditioner. So first, I'm going to put this. I'm making a lot today. Look at it. There. That'd be enough. Huh?
You can put more.
There? Okay. So there's that. And now we're going to put the conditioner. Then you're going to stir it. It's going to take a while to stir, but you got to be patient. And if it's too dry, you're going to put more conditioner in. On my other one, I had to put a lot of conditioner in to make it like this. Okay. See how it's looking like that now? It's going to look like that for a while. I'm going to feel it. Too slimy. Now I'm going to add a little bit more of this. Okay. And there's going to be a little bit of this. This is going to be my second one to make, and there's no glue added because I looked it up and it said no glue. So, because I didn't have no glue, so I had to do the one without glue. And you can always use food coloring to make it like this. Because here's my other one. I use food coloring. So yeah, you can use food coloring. If you don't want to use food coloring, you don't have to. That's what I always use. Because food coloring is like really good to use because it changes the color. And after a while, it doesn't stick. It's not sticky at all because there's no glue, so that's why it's not sticky. Okay, let's go. Nope, still not like we want it. I'm just gonna use a napkin to wipe it off. My fingers. Then I'm going to keep stirring it. A little bit more of this. And I had to stop using it because I use meat. When I help my mom to cook and my grandma to cook, she uses that for gravy. Right?
Yeah, but I can buy more. It's cheap.
Yeah.
So don't worry about it.
So it's like that now. We are gonna, after you put food color in it, you gotta start playing with it. Should I use this color? Pretty? Should I use this color? Right in there. Okay, I'm gonna put 1 drop, 2 drops. I'm gonna put 2 drops. That's not enough. I'm gonna put 1 drop. That's it. A little bit thin. So I'm just gonna put that much. Cause this, when it's dry, you gotta put a little bit of lotion. This is a pretty color.
You mean conditioner?
Huh?
Conditioner.
Well, yeah, conditioner. I forgot. Did I say shampoo?
You said lotion.
Lotion. But I meant to say conditioner, but I said shampoo. Lotion. So that's what you need to do. Okay. And if it's a little bit sticky, add more of this. And there's still a lot left. But I make sure there's enough for it to be cooked gravy. Okay, I'm gonna take it out and play with it. And I'm gonna stir it. Two drops. This color is pretty. A little bit more lotion. And this is all the lotion.
Conditioner.
Conditioner. This is all the conditioner that you need. Because when it's thin, thick, you need a little bit more conditioner. And yeah. So I'm going to try to get it out. A little bit more of this. And this will be it that we need. Remember what I said. Remember what I said, when you get it on your fingers and it's like too slimy and stuff, watery, just wipe it off on a napkin because it's gonna do that. So you need a napkin, food coloring, corn
Starch.
starch, and then conditioner. The conditioner is a little bit dirty, but you can always wash it off with water, because water is waterproof. So you can just do that. So, now, seal it. Okay, so that's good. And then we're gonna play with it. And then if it's sticky at all, just put more of this. My grandma's gonna help me put some on my hand.
Just throw it in that.
She helped me do it. Yeah. She might have to help me again, but who cares? Some people need help when they make slime. I needed help the first time because I had to Google it. But I had to Google how to make slime without glue because we never knew how. We only knew how to make slime with glue and other stuff. I don't know where she put my other stuff so I can show you how to make it with glue. But I don't have any glue, so can't make it now. At least right now, we can't make it with glue. Next time, when I buy more, when my grandfather needs me more glue, money, I'm gonna buy glue, a big jar. But if it's not how much she gave me, then I can't make it. Get a big jar, I might have to just get it looked. So yeah. It's a little bit of slime, but that's all I need. My clothes are getting all dirty, but who cares? So, here's this. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.